is Candace. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button already, off rips, off bugs. But if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. In today's video, I'm actually giving you guys some natural hair content. Can you believe it? Like, I don't know where I have been. I have not been doing my hair at all, but I finally decided to give some new products a try. So I am working with new products and trying out different styles and different things, and that's what led me to the twist out. I have revisited the twist out and I think I have mastered it, and I feel like I've cracked the code just on a whim. Honestly, I just ordered some products not really thinking that, you know, they were going to make a difference, but I am loving my results. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know I've been talking a lot about this twist out because it lasted me over 7 days, and I don't know, that's just unheard of for me. I have never been able to get a really successful twist out that I love, and I finally have, and it lasts. So if you guys are interested in figuring out how I got this long lasting, quick drying, perfect, it's not perfect, but you know, it's pretty close if you ask me, then make sure you keep watching. So my hair is nice and freshly washed, and to wash it, I finally started using some new products that I really love. So I'm going to be doing a separate like wash day kind of routine update to give you guys my new favorite products for wash day. But for my shampoo, I use the Adwoa Beauty Bio-Mint Moisturizing Shampoo, and this really gets my scalp nice and clean and gets all the residue off, all the yucky stuff that you don't want on your hair off, and it really feels like really nice and tingly on my scalp, so I love that. And then to deep condition, I use the Mizani Moisture Fusion Intense Moisture Mask, and I actually really love this stuff. I bought it when I was straightening my hair and I wanted to use Mizani. I use all Mizani products when I did a silk press, and it actually works really good on my natural hair too, just for natural styles. So I went in with this to add some moisture back into my hair, and we are here. Now for the parting. So the first time I did this style, I did like regular twist in the back, and then I did flat twist in the front. But this time I'm actually gonna flat twist the whole thing, but I'm gonna start with parting like a decent section in the back and then tying the rest up. Now for the good part. I'm only using 2 products for this style, and I was put on by a black stylist that I found on Instagram. Her name is Style Queen Beauty, and I actually ordered these products directly from her. Even though she's not the creator or the maker of the product, she is a vendor, and why not put some money in a black woman's pocket? So I ordered them from her because her twist outs are literally flawless on all of her clients. So I was like, wait, let me see if I can correct my twist out, because my twist outs are always a fail, like I told you guys. So I ordered them from her. So what I'm going to be using is the Influence It's Natural Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner, as well as the Influence It's Natural Coconut Milk Styling Foam. So these are the only 2 products that I'm going to use, and that's why my hair is going to dry super quick, because foams take no time to dry. I'm not using a heavy cream or any like gel or anything like that, which makes it like 48 hours before your hair is even thinking about being dry. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the leave-in conditioner on this entire section. I don't use a lot. I actually don't really like the way that this smells at all, and I never really thought leave-in conditioners did a whole lot for my hair, but I'm just going to use it just to say that I did. And I almost forgot, to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using this brush that I also got from Style Queen Beauty. I'm going to be leaving all of her links down below so you guys can shop with her. But I'm using this instead of using like a dimming brush. This gets my hair really smooth, and it's like really cute. I love the color. And for my first flat twist, I'm going to be taking this small section right here, and The parts don't have to be anything crazy. I'm not about to be sitting here parting my hair just to take it out and fluff the roots anyway. So I'm gonna pin this part out of the way. Like I said, for my hair I'm gonna be using the coconut milk styling foam, but this brand also has a honey almond line, which is a slightly softer hold, is what the stylist explained it as. So if you want like a stronger hold, or if your hair needs a stronger hold, then I would say go with this one. This is what I chose for longer lasting. But if your hair is more of a less dense or less textured texture, then I would say maybe try the honey almond one. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few pumps of this. That was like 3 pumps. Oh, y'all didn't see. And then I'm just gonna rub that with my fingers through this section. That kind of was a little OD, but I needed to show y'all on camera, so I put too many pumps, but y'all get the point. So I just brushed that through. Now if you don't know how to flat twist, you can easily do regular twists, but like I said, the flat twist just gave me the most definition, and it lasted the longest. Like that front part that I flat twisted lasted so much longer than the rest of it. And it also gave me a little bit of length, child, because I had to cut my hair because this last protective style that I got really did a number on me. Like, she was so rough with my hair and a lot of it came out. Ends was looking real bare, so I had to cut off a lot of my hair. So I'm trying to give my hair as much length as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and start flat twisting. You want to be as neat as possible. You don't want to just kind of slap your hair in the twist. You want to try and make sure you're pulling out actual sections and keeping your sections separated. I am not a professional and this is not a flat twist tutorial, baby, but just do your best, and if you can't do a flat twist, then you can definitely go ahead and do a regular twist. And when I get to the end, I just roll it around my finger a little bit, and that is that. This is the first twist, and this back section should give me about 2 or 3 more. So I'm gonna come back when this back section is done. Don't judge me. I know that the parts are looking crazy, but that really does not matter when it comes to this style. So for this next section, it's gonna be all the way from ear to ear. So I'm gonna take all of this. Say what, you know that I'm out at baby. You know what's up. Alright, so I'm all done with my flat twists in the front. I did them towards the front of my head just because I like when my hair falls like that. If you like your hair to be more out of your face, then you would just do them straight down. But in total, I have 17 twists in my hair, and it's gonna take no time to dry. So I'm about to tie my hair up, go to sleep, and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning and take them out. Alright y'all, it's the next day. It's actually less than 24 hours later and my hair is fully dry. So let's get started with the takedown. So to take down my hair, I'm going to be using the Influence S3 spray. It says it silkens, softens, shines, alcohol free, and UV protection. So I'm going to be using this basically to give my hair a little bit of shine like it says. So I'm going to be using this as like my oil, and also this will protect my hair from the humidity to keep my hair nice and silky and so it doesn't frizz out. So I'm just gonna spray that generously because we love a good shine. And then I'm also gonna be keeping it on my fingertips as I take my hair down. So the takedown is gonna be pretty easy. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more on my fingertips and then smooth it across the hair, and then just start to carefully separate the twists. If you did a good job at keeping your sections neat, then it shouldn't be really hard to take the hair out. And then I like to kind of separate them as I go. And do y'all see? Do you see the definition? Do you see it? It looks so good. I'm so obsessed with these products. I would never do a twist out without them. Alright, now that my hair is all taken out, I'm going to take a comb and fluff very rigorously at the roots. I love my hair fluffed out. I don't like the small look. Some people do, but I like my hair to be big on day 0. So I'm going to take my comb. I lost my freaking wide tooth comb, which was perfect for fluffing, but I'm going to use what I have and then just go ahead and get it as big as my heart desires.
You know what I want. Say what. You know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what.
Alright guys, so my hair is nice and stretched and fluffed, and it looks really good. The result is slightly different from the first time I did it because I did flat twist on my whole head, which I felt like turned out good. But in the front, I made the flat twist a little bit smaller than I did the first time. I think I'll make them bigger because the front of my hair just is problem area. So yeah, some of these look a little smushed, a little flat. But overall, I think it is really cute. If you guys have ever tried these products, or if you've ever used a foam for your hair, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what your experience was. And I want to do a giveaway for anybody that has made it through the video this long. So make sure you guys check the description box for the rules and the details on how you can win all of the products that I used in this video, so you can recreate this style for yourself at home. And I'll also be leaving the stylist info below because she's the one that put me on, so I have to put you guys on to her, and she does all kinds of textures, so I think these products will work on anybody. But yeah, make sure you check the description box for the giveaway, and I think that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any suggestions, anything, make sure you leave them down in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Looking fly with the sundress on. I think I feel a bone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't run. Backseat cheat, you know what I want.